In this video, you will learn about the Application Investment Planning Workspace in ADOIT. A quick note, the following steps are very similar for our Capability Investment Planning Workspace. You can find more information in our online help. The link is in the video description. First, you need to create a new workspace. Pick the Application Investment Planning template. Enter a name, a description, and select the users you want to collaborate with. Make the workspace private and only participants will be able to see it. In the second setup step, you can choose the main element type for the workspace. Click Create Workspace to begin. In the first tab, select your application elements for the workspace. You can also search a repository or add filters. In the next two steps, you can assess the business fit and technology fit of the applications via survey. Answer questions for each application element or invite colleagues to complete the survey. They will be informed via email. The next tab of the workspace lets you see the time categorization of your applications. Gartner's time model proposes 4 investment strategies: tolerate, invest, migrate, and eliminate. ADOIT will calculate the scores based on the survey results and place them in the appropriate investment strategy quadrant. If you want, you can change the thresholds to influence the automatic assignment of applications. Just move the separator lines. In the Investment Strategy tab, you can assign a strategy to your application elements by dragging cards into the appropriate column to apply or override the recommended time value. In the last tab, you can see a summary of all the applications in the workspace. Here you have different visualizations to display your results. If you're interested in what's coming next, just click What's Next on the right display border. You can find more information in our online help. The link is in the video description.